Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move the chat window to the left side in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS loads up and you can see your main dashboard with all your sources and scenes, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu option labeled Docs at the top. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various dock options that you can add or rearrange within your OBS interface. These docks help you customize your workspace according to your streaming or recording needs. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select the chat option. This will open up the chat dock window if it wasn't already visible in your OBS layout. The chat dock is particularly useful for streamers who want to monitor their live chat without switching between different windows or applications. Having it visible while you're live helps you stay engaged with your audience and respond to comments in real time. Now, here's where you'll actually move the chat window to your preferred position. Click and hold the title bar of the chat dock. The title bar is the horizontal strip at the very top of the chat window that displays the word chat. Once you've clicked and are holding it, drag the entire window toward the left edge of your OBS interface. As you drag it closer to the edge, you'll notice visual indicators or highlights that show where the dock will snap into place. This snapping feature makes it easy to organize your workspace without manually resizing or aligning everything. Once you've positioned the chat dock near the left edge and you see the preview showing it will dock there, go ahead and release your mouse button. The chat dock will automatically snap to the left side of your OBS window, fitting neatly into that space. This keeps your chat visible at all times while leaving your central workspace free for managing your scenes, sources, and other important controls. And that's it, you've successfully moved your chat window to the left side in OBS, giving you a more organized and efficient streaming setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.